Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make chocolate fudge with rice. First, gather your simple ingredients and prepare your pan. This easy method transforms everyday rice into a delightful, sweet treat. You'll be surprised by the creamy texture and rich chocolate flavor. We'll walk through each step, ensuring your fudge turns out perfectly every time. Get ready to enjoy a unique dessert that's both fun to make and incredibly tasty. To begin, ensure you have 2 cups of cooked white rice, completely cooled. Next, measure out 12 ounces of your favorite semi-sweet chocolate chips. You'll also need 1/2 cup of sweetened condensed milk, which adds a wonderful richness. Finally, prepare an 8x8-inch baking pan by lining it with parchment paper, leaving an overhang on the sides for easy removal. This preparation ensures a smooth cooking process. Now, it's time to combine our ingredients. In a double boiler, or a heat-proof bowl over simmering water, melt the chocolate chips and sweetened condensed milk together. Stir this mixture continuously until it becomes completely smooth and well combined, with no lumps. Once melted, remove from heat and gently fold in the cooled cooked rice. Mix until every grain of rice is thoroughly coated with the rich chocolate mixture, creating a uniform consistency. Once your chocolate rice mixture is ready, press it firmly and evenly into your prepared 8x8-inch pan. Use a spatula to smooth the top for a neat finish. Place the pan in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours or until the fudge is completely firm. Once set, use the parchment paper overhang to lift the entire block of fudge from the pan. Cut it into 1-inch squares and serve this delightful treat at room temperature. Enjoy your homemade chocolate rice fudge.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.